Actually, he is Indian. First, it is a wrong sentence. He is an Indian. Okay, Vishana,
He is
I am
an
an
Indian.
Indian.
Okay,
He is
sir.
an Indian. So an article an you will use. I will tell you where to use. Okay, an Indian. After that, you told a negative sentence.
Okay.
He is not an Indian. Now I am telling you there are five sentences. If you want to speak English, learn to speak these five sentences. And if you are able to speak
Okay,
these
sir.
five sentences very much comfortably, and just after practice, you will be able to be fluent in English also. In whatever sentences you are, whatever you speak in English, only these five sentences we are speaking. So I am going to tell you what are those five sentences which we often use in our day-to-day life. Okay, like see, you have to know this
Sure.
because we all are using only five kinds of sentence in whatever you are speaking. In spoken, only five sentences are very important. So this is what I'm telling you. Suppose if I told you simple, I'm taking simple example. Suppose वह कमजोर है. So वह कमजोर है. Is it visible? वह कमजोर है. Okay ना? हाँ. फर्स्ट
Okay,
सेंटेंस इज
sir.
वह
Okay, sir.
कमजोर है. सेकंड सेंटेंस इज वह कमजोर नहीं है. वह कमजोर नहीं है. नहीं है. Actually, for speaking, these sentences are very important because nobody
Okay, sir.
speaks out of this five sentence. Everyone uses these five sentence only in different different tenses. So वह कमजोर है, वह कमजोर नहीं है. क्या वह, आई जस्ट आस्क यू ना, क्या वह कमजोर है, क्या वह इंडियन है, क्या वह कमजोर है. क्या वह कमजोर नहीं है. कमजोर नहीं है. एंड नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस इज वह कमजोर क्यों है. These five sentences are used by everyone. Not exactly the same, but in
Okay.
different different form. Like if you are going in that tense, then you will tell मैं यह काम करता हूँ, मैं यह काम नहीं करता हूँ, क्या मैं यह काम करता हूँ, क्या मैं यह काम नहीं करता हूँ, मैं यह काम क्यों करता हूँ, मैं सऊदी अरब में क्यों रहता हूँ. Okay, this kind of sentences we are using in different different tenses only. These are only example of I am taking you simple present. Okay, so see, whomsoever
Okay,
speaks
sir.
English, these five type of sentences everyone uses in spoken. Like वह कमजोर है, वह कमजोर नहीं है, क्या वह कमजोर है, क्या वह कमजोर नहीं है, वह कमजोर क्यों है. And these sentences have some name. We name it. So this sentence is called positive. This sentence is called positive, or sometimes it is also called affirmative. If somebody asks you what is affirmative sentence, affirmative means also positive sentence. Whenever we talk about positive sentence, it
Okay.
means that I am talking about affirmative sentence, isn't it? Now, वह कमजोर नहीं है. This type of sentence it is called negative. This is negative. If there is nahi, you can see this nahi. Nahi, it negates the word.
Okay,
Negate
sir.
means nakarna. If I tell na, I negate you. Negate, this
Okay,
is
sir.
a word, English word, negate. You should learn these words. Negate. Negate means नकारना. You know
Okay.
नकारना. मैं नकारता हूँ. I negate you. मैं तुम्हें नकारता हूँ. So negate, from this
Okay,
word
sir.
negative word came. Negate. Next one is क्या वह कमजोर है. I am asking you one question. Tell me, क्या आप रफीक हो. Can you answer me? क्या आप रफीक हो.
Yes, I am Rafiq.
No, no. In here, how to reply? Are you Rafiq? Can you reply?
Yes,
Yes.
I'm
No.
Rafiq.
Yes. When somebody asks you question from क्या, like क्या यह marker है, तो you will say yes. क्या यह mobile है, you will say no. It means that when we ask question from क्या, then answer is yes or no, isn't it? क्या यह white board है, you
Okay,
will say
sir.
yes. क्या यह ग्रीन बोर्ड है,
Yes.
यू से नो. इट मीन दैट वेन एवर आई एम आस्किंग क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम क्या, okay, then answer is yes and no.
Okay,
So
sir.
this type of questions are क्या वह कमजोर है, आई एम क्वेश्चनिंग, but answer will be in yes and no. So this type of sentences are called interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence.
Okay, sir.
Interrogative. Please write the full spelling, because if we are learning something, then we should know the spelling also. Because suppose if somewhere you have to write this spelling, then how would you write? So interrogative sentence is something you write now continuously, repeatedly. You learn it. Spelling is those things nobody learns the spelling. Just everyone write it. The more you write, the more your spellings are correct. Okay. So interrogative sentence. So क्या वह कमजोर है? These are interrogative sentence. So answer will be in yes and no only. क्या वह कमजोर नहीं है? This is called interrogative negative sentence. This type of sentence is called interrogative. Spelling is same, interrogative, and negative spelling is same, negative. And last one is वह कमजोर क्यों है, वह कमजोर कहाँ है, वह कमजोर कैसे है, कब, क्यों, कहाँ, कैसे. When it comes in
Okay.
the middle, you can see कब, क्यों, कहाँ, कैसे. It is coming in the middle of the sentence. So this is called WH, WH, WH sentence. This is called WH sentence. WH. WH means what? WHAT what? Starting from WH. What? When?
Okay, sir.
WHEN when. The WH is there na? When, why, what, where, who, except who. Okay, every question word start from WH. I'm going to write here, then I will understand. Got it or not? Tell me. These are the 5 sentences you have to know how to speak.